In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an easy way to create a text distortion in Photoshop. So here's the texture that I'm going to use. If you want to use the same one, you can download in the link in the description. All right, first let's go ahead and convert this into a smart object. And let's go to File, Save as a Copy. I'm going to save it on the desktop. I'm going to name this Distort. So just remember where you saved it. Now let's go to File and let's open that up. So you can see this is the Distort texture that we just saved, and this is the one that we were working on right here. So I'm gonna go here to the PSD. So I'm gonna add a text. I'm gonna go here, select the text, just name this Distort, and I'm just do Control T, hold Shift and Alt, bring the size of this up, and I'm gonna try to put it in the middle like that. Now I'm gonna right click, convert this to a smart object. Now let's go to Filter, go to Distort, Displace, and I'm thinking I'm gonna do, let's do 10. Just click OK. Now remember where we saved the PSD, so it will be this one. Just click Open. As you can see right now, the edges are kind of hard. So to fix that, I'm gonna click Undo. So that's the reason why we have this other one right here. And the reason why we convert it to a smart object is we're gonna add a blur. So go Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and I'm just do 2. Click OK. And make sure you save this so the PSD updates. Go back here. Now when you go to Filter, Distort, Displace, click OK. Now when you select that, it should look different. You see how the edges are kind of gone. You can still see it a little bit, but it's not like before. To make this even more better, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to double click the smart object. I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to fill that in with black. I'm going to hit D for default. Make sure that's black. You just go here and select the black color. I'm going to fill it in. Shortcut Alt Backspace. I'm hit E for the eraser. Or actually just select the mask. It might be easier. So B for brush. And make sure this is black. And let's go ahead and let's bring the feather down. So you just go here to hardness all the way down. Just click Undo real fast. So kind of like that, right? So you just have like right there the brightest and outside just the black gradient. So save this. Close this. You can see it updated here. And make sure you save this PSD. Now when you go here and you go to Filter, Distort, Displace, click OK, select the PSD, click on Open. Now you can see it's only affecting the middle like that. So depending on what you do here, the distortion will be added like that. All right, now since the text is a smart object, you can double click this. You could change it, type something else, or you could change the font. See if I can change it to something. See how this looks. I'm gonna save this, close this, and you can see it. Might not look that good as the other one, but you get the idea. You could just double click this and change it to whatever. I'm just click Undo. So yeah, that's a quick, easy way to add distortion to any text you want.